brothers, attention please, because I have three announcements for us. Three announcements for us. First, brothers, if you are not sure about the notice of certain chord during our office prayer, please only sing the main and right melody. Written melody. Second, if you just a reminder after breakfast, our schedule is personal project like vocabulary and or translate. So please do not sleep. Third, if you want to share your SMART goal, it's your time. This all. Thank you.